monster signal crayfish. Just how big do they get? There are two species of crayfish in Deer Lake, an invasive species called the red swamp, and a native species called the signal. The native signals can live to be 20 years old and reach tremendous size. So far, the largest I've seen live in the east side lava caves. That was until today. Today, while investigating some sonar anomalies on the west side, I ran across telltale digging they do under rocks. Dropping my drone in, I ran across actual tracks in the mud, larger tracks than I've ever seen before, and followed them to this slumbering giant. So tag along with me on this short Deer Lake Crustacean Adventure. Enjoy. Drop into about 30 feet of water just outside of Tamarack Bay. And this is what I noticed on my sonar. Look at all the digging that's going on under these boulders. Let's swing around down through the mud plain below Tamarack Bay and then head up into the boulder fields where most of these rocks, where all this digging is going on. And up into the boulder fields. Nothing unusual yet. More digging going on under this rock. Bingo! Look at this. Tracks nearly 9 to 12 inches wide. Meandering as these guys hunt at night. This must be a monster. Let's follow. Look at the size of this monster. He's just hanging out here, big enough that he doesn't care. There's not another fish out here that would give him any trouble at all. Not even hiding. Maybe I can wake him up, flash my lights. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Look at his beautiful blue eyes. Let's go bump him. And whoosh! Flips his tail, raises a tremendous amount of silt, and he's gone. Gone with one flip of his giant tail. I looked for him for the next 15 minutes or so. Couldn't find hide nor hair. He may have just taken off and hidden under one of his rocks. Very cool.